Hi, I'm Kate Porras with RE/MAX 4000 and welcome to 2622 Tiger Eye Lane. Have you ever heard the term better than brand new when it comes to real estate? This is a perfect example of this. This house is barely a couple of years old and it's better than brand new. Here's what I mean. When you buy brand new construction, you often have to pay for things after you purchase the home, like refrigerator, landscaping, fencing, window coverings, things that can really add up in cost. This house, though, has all of that already included. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Even though this home is currently lived in, it truly feels brand new. A lot of it is because of the modern floor plan. A big open great room, nice sized living room, big dining area, big kitchen. It's also immaculately cared for. The owners take such good care of this home because they truly love it. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. You have beautiful granite countertops and there is a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space too. Tall cabinets so you can fit a lot of things in here, a nice gas range, and remember with brand new construction you may not get the refrigerator, but it definitely comes with this home. And just around the corner, this huge walk-in pantry. Let me put it in perspective for you. I'm about 6 foot tall, so you have the height and the width in here to store all kinds of things. The dining room also has room for a large table. Bring your hutch, your buffet, there's room for it all. The primary suite is just off of the main living area. We're starting here, a sitting area, a reading room. You can make this into an office. And from here, it leads into this nice big primary bedroom. This is a king size bed. They have a large dresser, room for a chair, another dresser, so you have a lot of space in here. Another place you have space is the primary bathroom. You have a nice large soaker tub. Doesn't that look relaxing? You have dual sinks, again with those granite countertops. And then the shower is a roll-in shower, no step at all. Something else that's fabulous about the primary suite is this closet. Again, it is huge, lots of space for clothing, shelving so you can store all the things you need, including shoes and other items. And I also love that right off of this closet is your laundry area. Washer and dryer do come with this home. There are 3 more bedrooms on this side of the home, including this junior primary suite. Room for your bed and furniture, and it also has an attached 3/4 bath. Again, another shower with no step. The 2 other bedrooms on this side of the home are generously sized, and they have nice sized closets too, and the bathroom does have a tub. I also love all of the storage space that's throughout the home. You have lots of closets, including this walk-in closet. You can store all kinds of things in here. It's time to head outside for this home. The first thing you walk onto is this beautiful covered patio. Think of all the furniture you could put out here if you wanted to. Great place to sit and relax because you're in the shade, protected from the elements. And I love that this house sits on a 1/4 acre lot, so a lot of space, enough room for a grassy area. You can put extra plants in if you wanted to. There's that fencing that we talked about that's already included. And when you come to this part of the backyard, you have a bit of a blank canvas. You can leave it as is for easy maintenance and landscaping, or you could add a pool, a trampoline. Raised garden beds would do really well right here. And then there's this space on the side of the home. It's designed for RV parking. Really, you could fit 2 RVs here. It's huge. Look how big this space is. Also great space for gardening if you wanted to. You could add a storage shed, even a workshop. A lot of opportunities for this area. For more information about this home, give me a call at 970-985-8555 or visit kateporras.com.